2
뭐 하세요? 어? 뭐 하세요? 음?
你别笑，要做一个专业的演员吗？
Oh my god.
Max, you didn't come to play with boys. You should be better manners. There it goes.
Nervous.
No, we're just gonna going mommy into grasshopper.
Oh, cool. I couldn't figure out why she was nervous.
Why? What is it? Oh, gosh. Isn't he gonna jump?
Hey, jump in the window.
He'd be good fishing at it. Except he's too pretty.
I'm Brewster knows how to play soccer. Get a little of that.
What is this? What happened to the shoe, Daisy? What is this? Daisy. Lexi, get in there! Come on!
Says it's campaign yourself. And you should have seen the walls at the trial.
I don't know what to say with this guy. Just don't stay there too long, which might smother cake.
Get him!